been messing around. I guess he didn't know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Court. So today I'm going to be installing a wig. This is her. So I'll be installing a wig today. This wig is from, I want to say, ALIPEARL hair, and it is a, I'm going to say 20 inch. I don't know. They said it was 22, I think, but it's like not long enough to be 22, so I'm gonna call it a 20 inch. But yeah, so I'm gonna be installing this hair, so don't forget to follow me on all my social media so you can see the after look, see any other things that I don't post on my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy videos like these. I will be making more hair videos. I have bought a good amount of hair, so I think it's only right I do some videos with those hair pieces. So yeah, so thank you guys so much, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna take this wig off. What I used for the lace tint, I used the lace tint. It's the Even New York tinted aerosol spray, light warm brown. It should do good today, but I'm not like melting my lace, so let's do this.
He been messing around. I guess he didn't know you at all. Cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life.
So for today, I'm not going to do like the sides. I'm only gonna do right here to right here for each. I do not want to do the sides because the sides take even longer. So I'm not doing sides. And I want to be able to take my hair down in like a couple of days. So yeah, we're not doing that. So what I'm going to do is take this Got2b spray. Y'all, oh yeah, there we go. I'm going to take this Got2b spray. Spray it. Oh, actually, before I do that, I'm gonna clean my face off because I did put some lotion on. So I'm gonna take some.
Your phone in some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you.
You guys, so I did my own press-ons. Look at this. I did my own press-ons. Aren't they fire? Like, damn. Period. I'm a jack of all trades. But yeah, so I did those, and then I also did some red ones, which I'll insert a picture of. They're fire, bro. They are fire, and I learned how to do them one day off YouTube. I was like, damn. Okay, anyway, gonna use some of this. Ooh, this is gonna be hard with nails.
Oh, your man been messing around. He been messing around. I guess he didn't know you at all. Cause he swam in my DM. Now that nigga drowning. Yeah. But I got a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you, baby, we know about.
Throughout each application of like applying the Got2b, I literally have to clean my hands. Otherwise, they'll be like really sticky, and the oils will like start to come from my fingertips. So, that's like one precaution I take.
We about to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9. And when I see him, you know it's on side. Yeah, he gon' pay for waste.
I got this scarf at the beauty supply store. It's this edge scarf. It's really like literally an edge scarf. Just thought you guys would not know. So I put this scarf on. low key though, I'm gonna clean this up first. Cause, I don't know, I feel like when you lay your hair down, like, if it's, you know, still like glue on there, it's gonna stick to the scarf. And that's not cute.
No excuse, baby. Baby, we got receipts.
Alright, so it's on in a tight manner. Okay, but it's on. The best part.
We got songs for you. He thought he could play us? Right. Oh yeah, I got some for him. The receipts can be handy though.
Side by side of it flat iron versus it not flat iron. So flat iron, it's like super silky and it like still has its shine and luster, and even with no flat iron it's still like super silky, easy like comb through. It's, this wig is bomb. I definitely recommend it. We're gonna do the other side. Okay, so I'm taking down this edge scarf so I can properly flat iron my hair all the way so it doesn't look like a cone head.
You, baby, baby, we know about you. No excuse, baby, baby, we got receipts. Girl, thanks for putting me up on game. I had a feeling he was up to no good. Anyways, we about to play with his head. He don't know who he dealing with. Send me your text thread. I know. Matter of fact, where he gon' be at? We should pull up on him around 9.
How's it look? Well, okay, being serious. So now I'm gonna take some foam and apply it on the top. There we go. What I like about this foam is like it's super lightweight and it doesn't make my hair feel like hard at the top. It just like makes it even more like, you know, shiny-ish, and it still looks good. And I am back. Okay, so I changed into the shirt I'm wearing for today. It's just this like blue top from Fashion Nova. But yes, so this is the final look. The hair is done. This is it. Everything is complete. My hair is installed and I'm about to go run my errands. So if you guys enjoyed these videos, me putting on my wig, learning about new wigs to buy, you know, Amazon wigs for the win. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms so you guys can keep up with me and see what I don't post here, I post there. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Had a plan to devise. We gon' fuck up his life. All we need is your phone and some time. Boy, you don't know that we know about you.